I think when we started only, I started building drones, so it was like a glorified toy. The logical step was first you make the individual machine do more, but you can only do so much. एक point के बाद it becomes a helicopter. So that's when we realized, okay, ठीक है, if you can enable one person to fly multiple systems together, it will have some application. We don't know what, we don't know when or how, but it will have some applications. It is worth investing in. That is what we started with. I think it was as big as where we're sitting.
Add 3 more chairs.
Yeah, 3 more
That's
chairs.
our office.
Yeah. And what sort of people were willing to show up every day was your co-founder. There was no one else. So I got the first person to believe in what I did, and then it started from there. So.
This was back in 2016 itself, where we assembled a drone, mounted a small camera facing downward, and we went to a place, sort of scan that area and make a 3D, not 3D, ortho photo of the entire area. We had only one GPS back then.
Yeah.
And that GPS had one wire stripped off. Tanmay was very chill, relax. Okay, Anush, relax, I'll do it. Then we went there, just connected the wire manually without soldering. Very risky tasks, very risky step that we took. And we flew it and we recorded the entire area. We captured photograph and created also photo from that image. We qualified the first 2 rounds, which was merely about presenting your idea. How will you execute a particular task that was supposed to be done within that Meher Baba prize, it was called back then. The challenge was to fly 10 drones, go 5 kilometers, scan 1 square kilometer area, and come back. We made 10 drones in a span of say 6 to 8 months. We tested everything. We tested during daytime, nighttime, whenever we found open field in IIT ground. We were testing heavily all of them, all 10 drones, and they were performing as expected. When we went there, we did not anticipate the kind of environment that we will get there. The environment in Delhi is much different from what you will get in Pokhran during summertime. It was April, I guess. And you can only test during, before the sunrise, very early morning, because after 10 or 9 a.m. in the morning, the wind speed will increase, the temperature will rise, and you will literally face the hot dust coming on your face. That is why the idea was to go in the early morning and test. We set up 10 drones, and we could fly only 4 or 3, I guess, 3 or 4.
I think 6 was max.
6 was max.
This is the maximum that we took off here.
The officer there, the Indian Air Force officers, gave us 3 chances, and we could not even complete the task even after 3 chances. We scrapped the entire thing. We thought, let's build something, the main component which is driving all the drones is the flight controller. Those flight controllers were made in Switzerland or in a country where the environment is not so harsh as compared to Indian environment and Indian conditions.
But I'll also add, it's not just that, it's also ki hobby grade the. They were not meant for defense.
Yes, and we did not have that kind of money that we can buy industry enterprise grade components. That's one part as well. So we started building the very intelligent component, which is flight controller, and then we realized you can only have control over each and every aspect of the drone which goes inside it if these things are built by yourself.
When we opened that thing, we realized that, these things are built to a certain price point. They're not built for reliability. They're not built for to basically last a certain time. They are built, they will perform just long enough and in very constrained, controlled environment. उसके बाहर नहीं करेगा. So at that time I said कि okay ठीक है, I'll take care of this. You guys can take care of the rest. But that meant कि they will have to wait for the hardware to come online. It took us a while, but I think in the long run that has led us to where we are today.
But I'll add something exciting. So we used to buy this GPS from here first,
Yes.
and it would cost us like 40,000
40,000,
rupees. And what was the pivoting point is कि पहले we were not, before Pokhran, were not thinking about actually building anything. We were assembling and all of that. And then Tanmay opened this Here Plus. And I remember the look on his face.
Yeah.
He opens it up and he like, यार इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, हम क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं? So actually before flight controller, he started building
The GPS, yes.
GPS. And literally within months, we had
First
results
version.
coming, first version coming. Okay, we had to optimize it. And it was so exciting कि हमारा खुद का GPS है, हम खुद के सैटेलाइट देख रहे हैं. And that gave us so much confidence कि यार अभी कुछ भी बना लेंगे. I thought a lot about it, and while we were in this bad mental shape, I went to him and I said, Tanmay, there is something we need to think about making money. Like for sure we are having fun. We are good friends, we have a good team. It is like not a dull moment in all 3 years. But how do we make money? Because we're trying to raise funds and not happening. Because fundraising is an important part of a startup building. And in the early stages, nobody will give you money when you don't have a business model and all. And that started to bother me, and I tried couple of months and I went to Tanmay ki like, can we do something where we make money? And Tanmay is very passionate about defense technology, usko bade drone banane and all of that. And I remember very clearly, he and I are sitting and I said, can we do drone light show as a business model? And in fact, हमने पहला drone light show 19 में ही किया था.
Right.
Dashera में we flew our defense drones with LED light. Uber got them from Chandni Chowk से जाके वो LED ले आया था, and he put it on the drones. And I तब तक Tanmay fully convinced नहीं था. And I remember he still has his second thoughts कि do I need to do this, not do this. And Anuj went along well because he thought I was smart by then. And तो हमने वो शो किया. रावण के जलने से पहले we flew these 10 drones. And what I saw, and our friend Sonu made the video, every single person, whether it's a child or anybody adult, had their phone in the sky, and there's no music, there's no design. And I see that video and I go to Tanmay next day कि यार देख आया मेरे को तो business model मिल गया था. People like it. Something that we never thought will happen, that very high profile people come visit us from Ministry of Defense, and they already knew us anyways because we've been doing these free demos by that time for more than 4 years. हम लोग उनके लिए कर ही रहे थे, so they just called us कि we want to visit you. They visited us, and so they were kind of interrogating कि आपने बनाया है कि क्या किया है. तो पूरा whole day they spent with us, and they wanted to know if this is the Indian technology और क्या आप कहीं से उठा के ले आए हो. By the evening, that whole team, couple of IS officer and their team, and in fact, Satish sir, the joint secretary Satish sir spent like entire day with us. So anyways, he offered me, can you fly 1,000? And I said, sir, what's the occasion? Like beating retreat, January 29, 2022 ko udana hai. You have about 6 months. So I said, sir, give us some financial help. And they did give us help, and within 2 weeks we had project sanction, money started trickling in, and we ran into a lot of problems because it was a COVID time, chip shortage and all of that happened. At 6 months we scaled the team from 12 to 42. So it was not just like you have to manpower आप increase कर रहे हो, आप skill set बढ़ा रहे हो, अपना खुद का भी R&D भी चल रहा है, product भी बना रहे हो. तो 6 महीने barely we slept. But it was such a challenging project that nobody was complaining. कि हम रात दिन जाग रहे हैं, ठंड है, and we are also arranging money, team, everything going on. And fortunately, we were able to fly 1,000 drones from Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it became a historic moment for us, maybe not for anyone else. From nobody, overnight we became somebody.
Never thought it will happen, to be honest. I mean, I couldn't believe it while it was happening. I think it took me a few days to realize that what we started in a hostel room has now reached here. So, I mean, if you believe it happens, that's all.
I see drones playing a very big role. I see us as a bot lab playing a big role, and in building smarter and intelligent systems. So last 5 years we were just building drones with certain applications. Going forward, I feel bot lab would play a very central role in building complicated subsystems for these drones, which are doing applications not just in defense but commercial applications.
लहरा दो सरकशी